So we're about to start the nursery, and it is a blank slate in here, and what my wife wants in here is a board and batten wall. So what we're going to do here is, this is going to be the accent wall, and we're going to put the crib here, and our job now is to measure this space and to put board and batten on it, and we're going to paint it probably a white colour. I'm not too sure right now, but that's what we're going to go for. So stay tuned. Nursery build number 1. For this project we went to Home Depot. We used their pre-primed MDF, and I got several boards here at 1 by 3 inches, and to attach them to the wall I used TiteBond's new adhesive glue. I used that, put it on a generous amount of that, and then I attached it with brad nails. Now, unfortunately, these were the longest boards that they had in stock the day that I went, so I got the longest boards that I could. It left a little gap at the edge, but that was no problem, just adding a piece to continue that. Once I had the border complete, then it was time to add the vertical pieces. What I did was I took the measurement of the wall, the length of the wall, and I divided that into 3 sections, and that would give me an equal measurement to put on my vertical pieces. I then did the same with the horizontal pieces, took the measurement, divided it by 3, and then attached the boards as well using brad nails and glue. Once everything was glued and nailed in place, I then went around with some white silicone to fill in the gaps around the squares. And here you can see how it looks before paint. Now, picking a paint color was probably the hardest part of this project. We wanted something to stand out, but also something that would blend in well. And so we decided with a misty grey from Sherwin Williams, and we're really happy with how this turned out. But to start off, I just went around all of the edges, cut in the tops, the bottoms, the sides, and then filled it in with the roller. Well guys, here it is. It's the board and batten wall, finished with a misty grey from Sherwin Williams. This is really great, really easy to do. These were 1 by 3 boards of primed MDF that I got at Home Depot, and I put them on using TiteBond. Thanks so much to TiteBond for sending me out their new adhesive. I stuck that on there, and then I used brad nails with my Ryobi 18 gauge brad nailer, and really happy with how this looked. Now the next project is to build a crib, and this is going to be the accent wall behind that. So thanks so much for watching today. We hope you liked it. If you liked this video, I would really appreciate you hitting that like button, subscribing, and even sharing it too. So thanks so much. Until next time.